Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix login problems in the Wall Street Journal app on your phone. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Login issues often happen when the connection is weak or off. Double check that you are entering the correct email or password. If you are logging in Apple, Google or school work access, make sure you are using the right method. Close the app completely by swiping it away from the app switcher. Scroll up from the down of your screen and then swipe away the Wall Street Journal and then open it again and try logging. Make sure the app is updated. Open the App Store on your phone. Once you're on your home page, click on your profile at the top right and then scroll down and make sure Wall Street app is up to date. Sometimes login problem happens because the app version is old. And that's it. By following these steps, you should able to fix most login problems in the Wall Street Journal app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.